Hi class, my name is Charlene Cruz. Today I am presenting my slides for the Purina Pro Plan. This could be the year ad campaign. Purina started in 1894 and in the mid-2000s Purina Pro Plan appeared. In 2012 they launched this ad campaign where they encouraged this year to be the one where there's no holding back. I chose Purina Pro Plan because, as you'll see, my dog Georgia actually eats this food, and before she started eating it, she was very skinny and not very healthy. After she started eating it, that all changed. She grew stronger, became really active, and she is actually the highlight of my ad that I created. So let's take a closer look at the original ad. So for the design, you can see that the subject, which is this large Great Dane, is bold, draws your eye straight to it. There's a clear message with this text right here that, it showcases the theme of this could be the year ... So in this instance, we bring our entourage. And then down here, you can see the Purina Pro Plan logo displayed very clearly. When we look at the color, obviously Purina Pro Plan is a dog food, and so they want to focus on using earth tones, neutral tones, things you would associate with animals or dogs. So you can see here, there's greens, there's grays, there's kind of dark browns. Over here, there's more greens. All of these are earth tones that can be reflecting nature associated with animals. When we look at the typography, there are two types of typography here. There is a sans serif, and then there's also a script above. So what this does is it creates a contrast and adds visual interest. So it draws your eye to it and really makes the message pop. This could be the year we do whatever we want to do. In this case, this could be the year we bring our entourage. Let's take a look at my new ad. Here it is, and this is my dog Georgia. So if we take a closer look, my design is reflecting that of the original ad. I have the clear text reflecting the message here. I have the focus subject, which is Georgia, my dog. And then down here in the corner, I have the Purina Pro Plan logo that is shown very clearly. With the color from my ad, I went with the same neutral earth tone. So I've got the greens, grays, browns, dark browns, just reflecting nature, reflecting, that this is dog food and that is associated with animals and nature. And this has my presentation. Thank you so much.